Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of carrots, from their origin to cultivation and all the way to their nutritional benefits. So, grab a seat and let's explore the incredible journey of this colorful root vegetable. Carrots, scientifically known as Daucus carota subsp. Sativus, are not just your average veggies. They come in a variety of colors, including orange, purple, black, red, white, and yellow. But did you know they all originated from the wild carrot, native to Europe and southwestern Asia? The name carrot itself has an interesting history. It dates back to around 1530, borrowed from the Middle French word carotte, derived from the Latin carota, and even further from the ancient Greek karoton, all pointing to its horn-like shape. Carrots are biennial plants in the Umbellifer family, Apiaceae. In the first year, they form a rosette of leaves and build up their signature taproot. The taproot, rich in alpha and beta-carotene, lycopene, and more, is what we commonly consume. Interestingly, black carrots stand out as one of the richest sources of anthocyanins, boasting high antioxidant abilities. According to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, China is the powerhouse when it comes to carrot production, contributing over 44% of the world total. In 2020, the global production of carrots and turnips combined reached a whopping 41 million tons. Now, let's travel back in time. Carrots weren't always grown for their roots. Initially, it was the leaves and seeds that were prized. The orange carrot we know today was cultivated in the Netherlands in the 17th century, possibly to honor the House of Orange. However, purple carrots were already enjoyed in Spain in the 8th century. Carrots are not just about crunching, they can be enjoyed in various ways. From salads to soups, stir-fries to desserts, and even as a healthy snack, carrots are incredibly versatile. Ever heard of gajar ka halwa, a delicious carrot dessert popular in North India? Let's talk nutrition. Carrots are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin A and K. The characteristic orange color comes from beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in our bodies. Did you know the myth about carrots helping you see in the dark? It was actually wartime propaganda during World War II. British pilots claimed improved night vision thanks to radar technology, but the story was spun to encourage people to eat more carrots. And there you have it, the incredible journey of carrots, from their humble origins to becoming a global culinary sensation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me.